Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing recipe of chocolate chip cookies. So let's see how to make that. Take a mixing bowl and add half a cup of butter which is in room temperature. Add in half a cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar. Mix well. Add in half a cup of white sugar. Mixing it well. Now we need to add one egg. Give it a good mix. You can even use hand mixer to mix at this point. So let's add all the dry ingredients. We need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, Seive this, mixing it using a spatula. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we need to add our final ingredient, 1 cup of semi-sweetened chocolate chips. Chocolate chip cookie dough is ready. Refrigerate it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, scoop out the cookie dough using an ice cream scoop, or else you can shape it like an equally sized balls with your hands. Line a butter paper on a baking tray and placing the equally sized cookie doughs. These are ready to bake. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes and bake the chocolate chip cookies at 180 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes. Once you see that the cookies are slightly turning in brown, you can take it out. After 15 minutes, you can see here how the cookies turned out. Let it cool in the baking tray for another 2 minutes. After that, transfer this into a cooling rack. These cookies are really soft and smooth in texture. If you want that hard and crispy texture for cookies, just refrigerate it for another 10 minutes. So these chocolate chip cookies are ready to serve. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.